Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Ken Corey, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some real creamy, dope slow-mo videos with the Lumix G7. Alright, so real quick, I'm going to front load this video with all the information you guys are looking for. So the answer to getting really dope, creamy slow-mo is frame rate. If you're not familiar with frame rate, it's pretty much how many pictures does your camera take in a given second to create video in the first place. If you want dope slow-mo, you need a high frame rate, which means you need at least 60 frames per second or higher. Because later on, when you're in post and you're editing on whatever software you use, you're gonna end up slowing down the footage to at least 50% or even slower. So if you record something at 60 frames per second and then slow it down to 24 frames per second, then really you're only watching 40% of that video's speed. So it looks slow-mo. And when you stretch out those extra frames, it looks so creamy and good. That's how you get that dope slow-mo. So that's what I did today. I shot everything at 60 frames per second and then I slowed it down by 50% or 40% and it looks smooth. If you record something at like 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second and you slow it down, it's gonna be slow, but it's gonna have that like jittery like feeling to it as it's moving slow, and you don't want that. All right guys, so that's the answer. So what I want to show you guys next is an example video of what you can shoot with 60 frames per second to get that creamy slow-mo vibe. If you guys want me to do like a step-by-step guide like on Adobe Premiere Pro how I do this, then leave a comment down below.
Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. You better come around. You save yourself, I'll save myself this time around. You save yourself, I'll save you too next time around. I'm not around, I haven't been here for a while. You know I'll never be back now. Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. You better come around. I won't come around. It's the same old. I'm getting sick of it. It's still the same old. Stop putting up with it. Somehow I've seen you're someone else. Somehow I've seen you turn into someone else. Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. You better come around. I won't come around.
So this guy doesn't want to actually bring his gimbal out because he's being too lazy. But I'm trying to show him that he can vlog and still do his thing. Same thing he's doing now, but with a gimbal. But I gave him 2 chances. I was like, bro, you sure you don't want to get a gimbal? It's all right. But yeah, we just got done shooting like underneath the pier out here in Galveston. And I'm getting some pretty cool shots. Today is such a beautiful day. Got the ocean behind me. It's going down, bro. We're about to go see if we can find some more shots to get some more slow-mo scenes all around Galveston. Hope you guys are enjoying the tutorial.